Welcome to Pro Chef Academy, and thank you for joining us. First of all, I'd like to thank all my new subscribers. Thank you for hitting that subscribe button, and now you will be able to keep up to date with all my tips and all my training videos to help you be a better chef. Also, you will see in this new video that I put up, and I will try and put up videos every week as much as I can. I want your views, I want your comments, I want your feedback, and I want you to keep joining me so we make this a collaborative experience and that we all learn from this. So come and join me, Pro Chef Academy. Click subscribe, share, like, and join the team. And we'll speak to you soon again. Okay, so we're going to tie the apron. This is an important part of a chef uniform, and I'm going to go through this, how to tie it so that it's safe for you to use. So first thing we do is we stretch out our apron, we have our ties to the side, and we fold probably 2 inches, like so, of a band. We wrap it around ourselves, and we bring the strings to the front. We tie our knot, like so, with our 2 loops. Okay, and this is the important part. We don't want these dangling. We need to tuck these in so that they're safe, so you don't get caught into a piece of equipment and dragged into it. So what we do is we loop through the string, around the string like so, both loops, and then so that we conceal those so they're safely hidden away, we then fold down a band like so, and along the sides, and there we have our perfect apron, which is clean, it is tight, it is perfect for you to work, it is safe, so it complies with health and safety, there's nothing exposed, and you're now safe to work. So that is how you tie a kitchen apron safely.